So for my presentation, I choose to do hacking. So what is hacking? Hacking is whenever a hacker will hack a service to take over digital devices such as smartphones, computers, laptops, tablets. Usually they do this for financial gain, protests, spying, such as trying to get information, or just the fun in it to mess with somebody. Some more examples of hacking is the act of identifying and exploiting weaknesses, gaining unauthorized access to personnel or organizational data, and it is done by many ways such as passwords, social engineering, and installing infectious malware on technologies. Who is affected by hacking? It can really affect anyone, from normal people to celebrities, businesses, governments, websites such as Uber, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Over here I have an infographic that are most affected by ransomware. We have government, education, healthcare, services, technology, manufacturing, retail, and finance. Why is it important? Hacking's not really important, but there is one factor of hacking that is important. It's called ethical hacking. It's done to identify and acknowledge the vulnerabilities of a computer network. It can be used in security systems, bugs in websites, security and safety in a nation, and secure crucial data from adversaries. How has hacking affected technology? Or how has technology affected hacking? Corporate security breaches, spear phishing, social media security breaches, hacktivism, botnets, and spam. An example of spam could be an email, a text, a call, someone just trying to get personal information to get access to your data. How to monitor and combat hacking. You can download stuff like a firewall, antivirus software, anti-spyware, have complex passwords, ignore spam such as emails, phone calls, text messages. Make sure you back up your computer. On a phone, don't use public Wi-Fi and turn off Bluetooth because people can get your information from that. Another way to monitor and combat hacking is know your adversary, focus on data, red team exercises. These are all in governments. For businesses, a way to monitor and combat hacking is to update software frequently, change your passwords weekly, monthly, multi-factor authentication, and limit employee access. Basically, for the multi-factor authentication, just have different ways to access the information, and for limiting employee access, choose a couple employees that are very reliable, that know the information or passwords to get onto some data. And here's my resources for my information, my resources for my picture.